Guys, welcome guys. Chef Carlton here in Jamaica, guys. Back to my homeland. I'll give you guys a quick tour of what's going on. What I got planted. All the plants I got growing, guys. Alright guys, this is a peppermint tree. Peppermint. I got a lot of different types of mint. This one is a peppermint. Nice smell. And behind us, Feuer Grass. Use that to make tea also. Alright guys, this is a passion fruit tree. For all who know what passion fruit is, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look. It's these things. They're not ready yet though. When they're ready, they turn into a bright yellow. This June plum tree. Oh guys, who knows what this is? Guys, this is Rosemary. It's a rosemary tree. See those rosemary you get in the store? You go buy in those bags. This is rosemary in its natural form, guys. We got aloe vera. People call it Cinco Bible. Other people call it aloe vera. It's good for a lot of stuff. Together. Over here we got what we call tuna. Use it like as a soap. And there is a lizard. Yep.
Yeah, you don't know. They are clean samaki. Authentic, nothing, no canaki ain't the same.